of my heart have been pulled in all directions, and I can't seem to figure out which way I should be headed. Yeah, I got dreams, but they tell me they're too big. Stay closer to the ground, live on the safe side instead. And I start to believe it, and maybe I should choose a road everyone else is taking. But now my soul is speaking. This is what it's saying, yeah. Hey girl, don't get so down on yourself. Don't be afraid, just keep your head above the swell. It will all fall into place. Stay the course and have some faith. Hey girl, don't get so down. You got to rise with the rise, with the rise, with the wave. You gotta rise with the rise, with the rise, with the wave. This life is rough, and sometimes you feel defeated. They say you're not enough, put you down for just believing. But you know me, I got plans to carry out. Blueprints for my life, I'm gonna build it from the ground. I may be bent, I may be broken, but I will never lose sight of the dreams that keep me going. And I'll be busting all of my chops till I make it to the top. Hey girl, don't get so down on yourself. Don't be afraid, just keep your head above the swell. Then we'll all fall into place. Stay the course and have some faith. Hey girl, don't get so down. You got to rise with the rise, with the rise, with the waves. You got to rise with the rise, with the rise, with the waves. I got my gratitude for all my friends and family who showed me love and helped me see what I could truly be. And while I know the path I chose, it ain't that easy. Sometimes the lows will make you feel like you are sinking, but I'm taking all of it in stride. All the lows and all of the highs, everything is gonna be alright. Just like the waves, I'm gonna rise. Hey girl, don't get so down on yourself. Don't be afraid, just keep your head It ain't a